Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the failed to connect to the server invalid session error in Minecraft. Let's dive in. First, open your control panel by clicking the Windows icon and typing control panel. Once it's open, make sure View By is set to category. Under Network and Internet, click on View Network Status and Tasks. Find your network connection, whether it's Wi-Fi or Ethernet, and click on it to open its properties. Next, click on Internet Protocol version 4 TCP IPv4. Make sure use the following DNS server addresses as checked. Then set the preferred DNS to 8.8.8.8 and the alternate DNS to 8.8.4.4. Finally, click OK. Now open Command Prompt as an administrator. To do this, click on the Start menu, type CMD, right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. If it prompts you, click Yes. Once in the command prompt, type ipconfig/flush DNS and press Enter. Then type ipconfig/renew and press Enter again. Next, go to the Start menu, type Check for Updates and open Windows Update. Click on Check for Updates and install any available updates. This helps ensure your system is running the latest software. Finally, open View Network Connections from the Start menu. Find your active connection, whether it's Wi-Fi or Ethernet, right-click on it and select Disable. Wait a few seconds, then right-click it again and select Enable. Restart your computer, and then launch Minecraft to see if the error is fixed, and that's it. Following these steps should fix the invalid session error in Minecraft. If this video helped, please hit the like button, subscribe for more quick fixes, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.